This is the unboxing of ghoststops POV IR and full spectrum camera and their Flux 2 yes/no device. Inside the box we've got the Flux 2 yes/no device. Since it's 3D printed, there's no package, just comes in bubble wrap. Here it is. Oh, those are the lights. Sound on the back. About the size of my hand. Let's see. Guess it's zeroing out. Bam. He also sent me a fancy USB charging cable with it too. That looks like a real nice one. Now, fancy thing. Ghoststops Ghost Hunting POV Night Vision and Full Spectrum Camera. Open that in a second. Let's see what else they sent me. It's a Gus keychain. I believe this is a pin light. Yeah. And a little pin light. On to the unboxing of this. 10 seconds, guys. So I gotta do that the other day, and he had trouble getting that out. It's not that hard. And I just totally took off the plastic to the IR light. Let's see. You shouldn't be able to see it. Oh, it picks up a little bit on my camera. But of course, since it's IR, our eyes can't view that spectrum. And the actual 4K POV cam. I guess there's film underneath that lens, yeah. This case flips open from the top, the waterproof case. And that is what the actual GoPro-like camera looks like. So let's do as suggested and remove the film. Nice and shiny. Let's see if this thing can turn on. Yep. You can see it says ghost stop when it turns on. Of course, no memory card at the moment. Inside the housing, so that's neat. And of course they give you all the little GoPro goodies, the charger, one of the mounts, I guess a second case, no? Yeah, and all these are just the various attachments, the charger, shimmy cloth, and zip tie. I believe that's the quick disconnect mount for that for tripods. Another mount, more mounts. So, I'll have to take this out on an investigation and see how they work. Probably 10 times better than my cheap little eBay camera. Again, this was ghoststops POV 4K cam and their Flux 2 yes/no device.